Good morning, children. I am Surekha Miss. Last class we have completed practice 1 to 9 numbers. So before starting zero introduction, we will do the revision of numbers 1 to 9. Okay? Children, look at these numbers. Say behind me. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again we will read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So last period I have told you that these numbers 1 to 9 numbers are used as symbols. To form the numbers. Okay. Now we will study about zero. Introduction and writing of zero. Zero is written as like this. Okay, we have to start from one point here like this, round shape. Okay, zero means nothing or none. Zero means nothing or none. Nothing means कुछ भी नहीं रहता है उधर. Okay, that is nothing. Or none means also same thing. Nothing is there, zero. Now here one example I will show you. This is a coconut tree. Okay, and there are 4 coconuts on the tree. How many coconuts? 1, 2, 3, 4 coconuts. Okay, so here I am bringing this one coconut down. Means from the coconut tree one coconut is falling down. One coconut is falling down. How many coconuts left now? 3 coconuts. Now from these 3 coconuts, one more coconut is falling down. Now how many coconuts are left? 2. Okay. Now from these 2 coconuts, one more coconut is falling down. How many coconuts left now? 1. Now this one coconut is also falling down. Okay. Now all the 4 coconuts are fallen down. Do you see any coconut on the coconut tree? No. So no, nothing. No, one also coconut is not there. So what will say? There are no coconuts on the coconut tree. No means nothing. Means zero. Zero coconuts on the tree. Zero coconuts on the tree. Understood, children? Let us revise again. What is zero? Zero is written like this. Okay? Just see here. Zero means nothing or none. कुछ भी नहीं. And this was the example of the coconut tree. All the 4 coconuts was fallen. Means there was no coconut on the tree. Coconut is not there. Any coconut is not there. Means coconut tree is not having one also coconut. So it means 0 coconuts. Okay? Now children, see, there is a flash card of 0 number. Look at this 0. Look at this 0. And 0 is introduced before number 1. 0 is introduced before number 1. Before number 1. So, in 1, 2, 3 number, 0 comes before 1. Okay? I have taught you numbers 1 to 9. Now, I am teaching you about number 0. So, while reading the numbers, we are going to say 0 also. Okay now? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Understood? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now children, you will understand more clear by looking at these objects here. Okay? Now, here I have kept 5 boards. 5 boards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many boats are there? 5. Okay. Now rainy season is going on. Yes. And you must be playing in the rain water with the boats. Okay. And now you are going to take out one boat from there. Okay. I am taking now yellow boat now. I am taking yellow boat to sail in the water. Okay. So now how many boats are left? 4 boats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I am taking the red boat to sail in the water. Okay. So how many boats are left? 1, 2, 3. Now I am taking the green color boat to sail in the water. So how many boats are left now? 2 boats. 1 and 2. So from 2 boats I am taking one more boat. Orange color boat I am taking to sail in the water. Now here one boat is remained. I am taking that boat also to sail in the water. Now you can see any boat here? No. So no boat means number 0. 0 boats are there. No boats are there. Nothing is there. Okay? Yeah? I hope you understood this example. Now children, there are flowers. There are flowers. You can see the colorful flowers here. Red, yellow, orange, pink. Yes? Now these flowers I am going to take out one flowers aside. Aside means बाजू में निकलने वाली हूँ मैं एक flower. Okay? Now I like pink color, so I am taking pink color flower aside. Okay? Then red color flower I am taking aside. Okay? Then yellow color flower. Then orange color flower. Now any more color flower you can see here? No, na? No flowers means what? 0 flowers. No flowers means 0 flowers. Understood children? Yes? So 0 comes before 1 and I will explain you more clearly which is given in the book. Okay? Now look here children. I will explain you with these examples here. Now here 5 balloons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balloons were in my hand. In my hand how many balloons? 5 balloons. All 5 slipped off my hand. Slipped off means what? उड़ गए मेरे हाथ से, slip हो गए, छूट गए. Okay? So if balloons are slipped from the hand, now here no balloons remained in my hand. So any balloon is left in the hand, remained in the hand? No balloons. You can see any balloon here? No. So means what? No balloons remained in my hand means 0 balloons remained in my hand. 0 is written as, see here how 0 is written. I showed you on the blackboard. Okay? See the 0 how it is written. So balloons first 5 were there and 5 balloons slipped away and no balloons remained means 0 balloons remained. Now another example. Here boy is sitting to eat the laddus. 2 laddus in the dish. In the dish how many laddus you can see? 2 laddus. 0 laddu in the dish. And these 2 laddus, this boy ate 2 laddus. If he is eating 2 laddus, any laddus will left? No. 2 were there and he ate that 2 laddus. In plate 2 laddus were there. Okay? And this boy ate about 2 laddus. So you can see any laddus in the plate? No. No laddus in the plate means what? 0. 0 laddu in the dish. Okay? Dish or plate. Okay? So I told you nothing or not, none means 0. Okay? Same way. Now, no matchsticks in the matchbox. You can see the matchbox. You can see any matchsticks here? Yes? Only the empty matchbox you can see here. Empty means khali matchbox. No matchbox matchsticks in the matchbox means 0 matchsticks in the matchbox. Understood, children? 0 means no matchsticks in the matchbox. Now here, there were 4 birds on a branch. How many birds are there on the branch? 4 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now from these 4 birds, all the birds flew away. Now you can see in this picture on the branch, any bird is sitting on the branch? No bird is sitting. All are flying. All are flying. Okay? They all flew away. Okay? So your question is asked, how many birds remained on the branch? How many birds remained on the branch? If no birds remained on the branch, we say that 0 birds remained on the branch. Okay? How many birds remained on the branch? If no birds remained on the branch, we say that 0 birds remained on the branch. Okay? No birds on the branch means 0 birds. They flew away. Now, this is Maths textbook of Standard 1, Introduction and Writing of 0. 0 is written as, see how 0 is written. Okay? I told you how 0 is written. Okay. Now, let's see what is given here in the picture. Now, this one family is standing on the bus stop. Okay? Passengers. If anyone is standing on the bus stop, we say passengers. Okay? So, passengers are standing on the bus stop. They are waiting for a bus. How many passengers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, write here 4. 4 passengers are waiting for a bus. Now, in the next picture, bus stop is there. Bus is going. Yes? Bus took all the passengers in and going. So, you can see any passenger on the bus stop here? No. No passengers are standing here. Yes? So, what you will write here? 0. 4 passengers went in the bus. 4 passengers went in the bus. 0 passengers remained. Any passenger is remained here? Means 0 passengers remained. Next example. Now here dish is there and laddus. 5 laddus are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The white dish has how many laddus? 5 laddus. Pink dish has no laddus. Pink dish has no laddus. It means that there are any laddus you can see in the pink dish. So what you will say? 0 laddus. Okay? No laddus means 0 laddus. Understood, children? See here, children. In the bold writing it is given. 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. Followed all of you? Now we will solve one exercise for you of number 0. Join 0 with appropriate boxes. Join 0 with appropriate boxes. Okay? Now here 0 is there. Middle. Okay? How many telephones here? 1. 1 telephone. How many chocolates? 2 chocolates. How many fishes? 4. How many birds here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now in this box, in this box, in this box and in this box, you can see any picture here, any object. No object, nothing you can see. Okay. So nothing means what? 0. So we have to match this box with the 0. Okay. So no objects means what? It is 0. So we will join with 0. Okay, like this. Here, here and here. Okay, so we have joined all the objects here which contains nothing, no objects. Okay, now here next, draw as many dots as the given number. Now here 2 number is given, so we have to draw here 2 dots. Number 8, so we have to draw here 8 dots. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0. Now 0 is there. So you will draw here anything? Yes? No, nothing you will draw. I said na 0 means nothing. So you will keep this box empty. Okay. Number 5. Draw here 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here children, 0 was given. We kept this box empty. Nothing we have drawn here. Same way here also, no objects were there. So we have matched with number 0. Understood children? I hope you all have understood number 0. Okay. So next period we will meet again with the new topic. Look at the blackboard question children. 0 is written like this. 0 means nothing or none. 0 means nothing or none. See the coconut tree. All coconuts were fallen. So we said that there are 0 coconuts on the tree. Okay. And 0 number comes before 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now you practice number 0 at home in your notebook. Okay. Thank you.